nice and lovely, guys. So I'm back in the kitchen. So in the meantime, the fish are cooked. Alright, what we want to do is simple, make a nice lovely smoothie for go with the dinner, you know what I mean? In the meantime the fish are cooked. This is what's gonna happen in the kitchen. Alright guys, I want you to stay tuned in and watch the simple little video what we're gonna do right now. In the meantime, the fish cooking. Alright, we're gonna make a lovely simple smoothie recipe. I have strawberry and some grape and blueberry left over in my fridge, and you know what, I decide I want put them in the bin. I decide to do something for you guys, you know what I mean? If you're at home, definitely you guys definitely can make this. I have these in my fridge and I said to myself, no, why should I put these in the bin when I can just simple make a lovely smoothie recipe from it. So what you're going to do, strawberry, blueberry and red grape. Put roughly about half teaspoon of honey. And we're gonna use some milk. I'm using some red skimmy milk in it just to free up the blender. Beautiful one, guys, honestly. It's just fantastic and amazing. And not only that, you can put a simple little bit of cinnamon inside of it. And also some nutmeg egg. All of these ingredients works really well together. Where's my mixed spice? I should know I have some mixed spice. Yeah, I got some mixed spice. I'm gonna put a little bit of mixed spice in it. That's a tiny little bit of mixed spice, guys. You know what I mean? And also a little bit of a vanilla inside of it. That definitely gonna bring up a lovely flavor and taste to this lovely smoothie. Alright, now I can put 2 pieces of ice inside of it to make it more, you know, and then we're just gonna simple cover it. And what we're going to do, we're gonna take it to the blend. Yes, Chef Ricardo, that's exactly what we're going to do, is take it to the blend. Alright, now without a doubt, let's crack on and blend this up. Alright. Wow, that's wicked and nice. Look at that. I love how it blend it. Alright, let's go and look in the glass. Nice one. So here it is. So we're just gonna simple pour it out into this beautiful glass. Right here. That's the smoothie. Look at that. Fantastic and amazing. So that look nice, guys. That's exactly what I talked about when I said I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna do something lovely for you. This is what happened in the kitchen sometimes with Chef Ricardo. So in the meantime, the fish was cooking. I was just making this beautiful juice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All of these recipe ingredients in the description box. Go over to my Instagram page, watch the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's amazing to know exactly what's gonna happen in the kitchen. I love everyone of you. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. So what we're going to do now is check on the fish. Alright guys, enjoy it. Welcome back again, guys. So we're just going to give you another recipe which you can also do if you like to. In the meantime, your fish is cooking because, you know. So we're going to do a blueberry right here. I got some blueberry left over. If you're a person who's familiar with blueberry, you can just simply make yourself a lovely smoothie like this. You don't have to use semi-skim milk. You can use water or you can use almond milk or whatever kind of milk you like to use. But me personally, I just like to use my semi-skim milk and a teaspoon of honey. And all you're gonna do is just blend this for about 2 to 3 seconds and you're good to go. Nothing too complicated, very easy and simple. And if you have some blueberry left over in your fridge, this is exactly what can you do at home. Alright, now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply take it to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. It won't take long. Alright, so this is what's gonna happen. Let's take a good look and see. See what it's looking here. Alright, it look good. Very, very good. Alright, let's put it back to the blend. Nice one. Now, as I can see, what it do, it stop and it finish. Alright? Yeah, so when it's finished, it stop the machine. So let's share it up. This is an amazing recipe. Look at this. Yeah, and this is exactly what you want to do. Alright? Smell amazing. Not only that, fantastic, you guys. And also, what you can do, put a lovely fat chunk of strawberry straight inside of it like that. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it, finished, done and dusted. Now we're gonna have simple check on our salmon to see how our salmon look, but that's the recipe right there. Alright, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Barbecue salmon, it's good to go. Yeah, so when it's finished, it stop the machine. So let's share it up. This is an amazing recipe. Look at this. Yeah, and this is exactly what you want to do. Alright, smell amazing. Not only that, fantastic. And also, what you can do, put a lovely fat chunk of strawberry straight inside of it like that. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it, finished, done and dusted. Now we're gonna have simple check on our salmon to see how our salmon look, but that's the recipe right there. Alright, thank you for watching and stay tuned. Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Barbecue salmon is good to go.